Today we will show you the special command called as the STL two-step translator. We have to build our own custom utilities. Now we have to select a STL file from the specific folder. Okay. After that we have to define the output. So now it's done. Our STL data is converted to the solid data step file. Similarly, we have to build another one, advanced optimizer STL. So in the utility, you need to optimize optimize the simplify ratio in the STL format, because STL is called as a lot of point clouded data, so you can be optimized your the accuracy. So just you need to define the ratio. On that basis, you need to select a STL file and define the output file. After done these things, now you can see here your STL data is converted to the step. We copy these two files and they paste in the one new folder. So after that I can go to the annex, open this step file on here. We check the step file setting. So filter selection we change to the step and click to the options. So during option we have to define it now. So in the below we have to turn on the simplifier and optimize it now. So what happens, they have to optimize our the step data based on that selection. Now we can see here our STL file is converted into the step data. You can see here we will try to apply some chamfer on here, some edges. It is applicable or not, we will check it. Yes, it is applicable. Can able to see these things, because this is the most important step on here. If there is some STL data, you cannot apply some geometrical feature like chamfer, hole, and other feature also. So we will measure the our solid data, if there is a mass is calculated not. So yes, it is mass is calculated also, because this is our the step data. Now we will fine tune our the some hole, some fillet, and then some curve surface. So before that, we can go to the curve and turn off the associative, because we are doing such kind of the reverse engineering with easy method. After that, we will create a circle on here using the 3 points. So we have to select the 3 points on here. So similarly, we have to select another holes. I'm using some extrude method to multiple surface converted to the single surface. We are to using some subtract and give this some good accuracy in the whole section or whole area. Similarly, this is some conical surface, so I need to request some smoothness on here also. We have to select some edge and we have to define a one direction and we have to define a point. Now here we have to using a one good method in NX between 2 points. We have to select a 2 points. Based on that, we have to create a one midpoint on here. Our conical surface is create a smooth. Similarly, we also create a some smooth bending. So first we need to measure the some blend using some arc method. You can also use some sketches. That's why we have to showcase on the some sketch command. We can be create some sketches on by selection by plane or by selecting by surface also. In STL method, you cannot able to select a surface. After creating curves, we measure the dimension or radius. So we will use the delete face command to create one sharp corner on here. Similarly, we also select another surfaces. We click to the edge blend command. We select the edges and define our the radius. Similarly, we also update the outer corners. In NX, there is a one command called as optimize face. This is a good command to optimize your geometry, and they have to remove the parameter.